Hymns for morning worship and starting your day with peace and joy. There is something special about the early morning, the stillness, the promise of a new day, and the perfect opportunity to center your heart in worship. In this video, we will explore hymns that can transform your mornings with peace, joy, and gratitude. Morning worship sets the tone of the day ahead. It reminds us to pause, reflect, and invite God into our plans and challenges. Hymns are a powerful way to do this through their words and melodies. They help us to focus on God's presence. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Timeless Hymns and Worship, and welcome to this new episode of the Morning Hymns. In this episode, we are going to talk about some of the hymns that are perfect for worshiping the Lord in the morning. Now, if it is your first time, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, and make sure that you share this video with your peers or your workmates. Now let us proceed to the video. These hymns, the first hymn is Morning Has Broken. Morning Has Broken is a hymn that celebrates the beauty of a new day. It is a hymn that has beautiful lyrics. Its joyful lyrics remind us that God, for the gift of life and nature's daily renewal, has to be thanked for. Singing morning has broken, like the first hymn, like the first morning, fills the heart with gratitude. Now let's move on to the second hymn, which is Great is Thy Faithfulness. This one I know many people know it. It is one of the most famous hymns ever. Great is Thy Faithfulness is one of the most beloved hymns. Few hymns capture the steadfastness of God like Great is Thy Faithfulness. It's like morning by morning, new mercies I see. It's the perfect reminder to start each day recognizing God's unfailing love. Now let us move on to the second hymn, which is When Morning Gilds the Skies. Written in the 18th century, this hymn invites us to praise God as soon as the day begins. Singing, May Jesus Christ be praised, connects us to a long tradition of believers starting their day with worship. Let us move on to the fourth hymn, which is Thou My Vision. This hymn is a heartfelt prayer asking God to guide us through the day. Its lyrics, Thou my best thought, by day or by night, are a reminder to focus on God's wisdom and love in all we do. The fifth hymn is This is the Day. This is the day is a joyful declaration that every day is a gift from God. Singing, This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. It is the perfect way to embrace the morning with joy. Now let's move on to the sixth hymn, which is How Great Thou Art. How Great Thou Art is one of the most famous hymns ever. If you don't know this hymn, I don't know where you were growing up from. I think when I was in primary school, I heard one of my brothers singing this one. How great thou art. That is the hymn. I'm not sure where it starts, but that is the melody of the hymn. How great thou art calls us to marvel at God's creation and greatness. As we sing, O Lord my God, when I am in awesome wonder. Let me repeat this line. O Lord my God, when I in awesome wonder We are reminded of His power and love that surrounds us each morning. Now let's move on to the seventh hymn, which is All Creatures of Our God and King. This hymn invites us all of creation to join in the morning in worship. Its lyrics encourage us to lift our voices in unity with nature, praising God for the blessing of a new day. Ladies and gentlemen, we have finally come to the end of the list which make it into the morning hymns. So these hymns can transform your mornings, turning them into the moments of peace, joy, and connection with God. Whether you listen to them during your quiet time, sing them with your family, or play them on soft, or you play them softly in the background, when you are still doing your daily chores at home, or when you are busy driving to work, they will prepare your heart for the day ahead. So make sure that you start your day with one of these hymns and experience how they can bring peace to your spirit and joy to your journey. From the rising of the sun, the place where it says, the name of the Lord is to be praised. This is found in Psalms 113, verse 3. Thank you for joining us today. If these hymns bring peace and joy to your mornings, like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Make sure that you don't leave this channel without subscribing. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite you to share this video if you like it. If you don't even bother. Just pass on to other videos. But if you like this video, man, make sure that you tell people, because when there are more subscribers to Tamilisms and Worship, my community is growing. And if my community grows, I will be able to get sponsorship for my content. I will be able to get even more exposure. So make sure that you subscribe or you share this video with your peers and with your colleagues and friends. One more thing I want to talk about is the AdSense ads that you may see while you are watching my videos. If you are seeing AdSense ads while watching some of my videos, make sure that you watch as many as you can, because I am offering a free content. So as a way of paying me back, you are watching those ads, and I earn a commission from some of the ads that are being displayed here. So make sure that you please watch some of the ads that are being displayed, because when you do so, you are helping my content to make some money. Until next time, make sure that you stay out of trouble, because the new year is starting. Happy New Year and happy week. Blessed be upon, blessed blessings be upon you and your family. Ladies and gentlemen, until next time, bye-bye.